Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make mango wine at home using an easy method. Making your own fruit wine is a rewarding experience, and mangoes offer a wonderfully tropical flavor. We will cover everything from selecting your ingredients to bottling your finished product. This simple process requires just a few basic items and a little patience. Get ready to transform fresh mangoes into a delicious, homemade beverage that you can proudly share with friends and family. First, let's prepare the mango must, which is the base for our wine. You will need about 5 pounds of very ripe mangoes. Peel and chop them into small pieces. Place these mango pieces into a large pot with 2 pounds of granulated sugar and 1 gallon of clean water. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, simmering for about 20 minutes to extract all the lovely mango flavors. After boiling, let it cool completely to around 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your mango must has cooled to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, it is time to introduce the yeast. Sprinkle 1 packet of wine yeast directly onto the surface of the must. Stir it gently to incorporate. Now, carefully transfer this mixture into a sanitized primary fermenter, ensuring it is sealed with an airlock. This airlock allows carbon dioxide to escape without letting air in. Let it ferment for about 7 to 10 days in a cool, dark spot, observing the bubbling activity. After primary fermentation, it is time to rack your wine. Carefully siphon the wine from the primary fermenter into a clean, sanitized secondary fermenter, leaving all the sediment behind. This process is called racking and helps clarify the wine. Allow the wine to age in this secondary fermenter for at least 3 months. Longer aging often improves the flavor significantly. Finally, bottle your clear, aged mango wine into sanitized bottles, corking or capping them securely for enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.